In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to neglect our physical health. We often prioritize work, family, and social commitments, leaving little time for exercise and self-care. Maintaining good physical health is crucial for our overall well-being. Simple habits can make significant strides toward a healthier lifestyle. Stretching offers benefits for all fitness levels. Incorporating stretching into your routine impacts your physical and mental well-being. Prioritizing activities like stretching nourishes our bodies and minds. Stretching involves lengthening your muscles and moving your joints through their full range of motion. It is essential for maintaining flexibility, improving posture, and preventing injuries. Stretching increases blood flow to muscles, delivering oxygen and nutrients. This reduces muscle soreness, improves recovery, and enhances performance. Regular stretching makes muscles more pliable and less prone to tearing. Incorporate stretching daily for long-term health and functionality. There are various types of stretching techniques, each with its unique benefits. Let's explore two common types: static stretching and dynamic stretching. Static stretching involves holding a stretch for an extended period, usually 20 to 30 seconds. This type of stretching is best performed after a workout when your muscles are warm. It helps to improve flexibility and reduce muscle tension. On the other hand, dynamic stretching involves moving your body through a range of motion, gradually increasing the reach and speed of movement. This type of stretching is ideal as part of a warm-up routine before exercise. It prepares your muscles for activity, improves blood flow, and enhances coordination. Experiment with different types of stretches to find what works best for you and your fitness goals. Remember to listen to your body and stop if you feel any pain. Section 4. Reaping the rewards of regular stretching. The benefits of regular stretching extend far beyond improved flexibility. When you stretch consistently, you reduce muscle tension, which can alleviate stress and improve your mood. Stretching also enhances blood circulation, delivering oxygen and nutrients to your muscles and organs, promoting overall health and vitality. Moreover, stretching can improve your posture by addressing muscle imbalances that can contribute to slouching or rounded shoulders. By lengthening tight muscles and strengthening weak ones, you can stand taller and move with greater ease. This, in turn, can boost your confidence and self-esteem. By making stretching a regular part of your routine, you are taking proactive steps to improve your physical and mental well-being. It is a simple yet profound investment in your health and happiness. Section 5. Integrating stretching into your daily life. Incorporating stretching into your busy schedule doesn't have to be time-consuming or complicated. Start by setting realistic goals. Aim for 5 to 10 minutes of stretching each day, gradually increasing the duration as you become more comfortable. You can break up your stretching routine into shorter segments throughout the day. For instance, try stretching during commercial breaks while watching television or while waiting for a meeting to start. You can also incorporate stretches into your morning routine, such as gentle neck rolls and hamstring stretches while still in bed. Remember, consistency is key. Even a few minutes of stretching each day can make a difference in your flexibility, posture, and overall well-being. Section 6. Embrace the stretch for a healthier you. In conclusion, stretching is an essential aspect of maintaining good health and well-being. It improves flexibility, reduces muscle tension, enhances blood circulation, and promotes relaxation. By incorporating stretching into your daily routine, you are taking a proactive step towards a healthier and more fulfilling life. Remember to listen to your body. Start slowly and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your stretches. Whether you prefer static stretches, dynamic stretches, or a combination of both, finding a stretching routine that you enjoy and can stick to is crucial. Embrace the stretch. and experience the transformative power it can have on your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Your body will thank you for it.